When you run a marketing agency, social media analytics can make or break your strategy. You are not just posting content, you are proving results to clients, optimizing campaigns, and spotting patterns across multiple accounts. Two of the biggest names in social analytics are Sprout Social and Buffer Publish. Sprout Social is built for teams that need deep insights and enterprise-level reporting. It goes far beyond basic scheduling. It is a full social management platform that combines publishing, engagement, analytics, and listening in one place. For agencies, that all-in-one approach saves serious time. One of Sprout Social's biggest strengths is its analytics suite. It gives you detailed reports on audience growth, engagement, impressions, and post performance across all major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X. You can view these metrics per account or combine them into custom reports for clients. Everything is presented clearly, with professional visuals that are ready to share. Sprout's analytics go deeper than surface numbers. You can break down engagement by content type, time of day, and hashtag performance. You can also track competitor accounts and compare results side by side, which is a huge help when clients ask how they measure up in their industry. The ability to tag and categorize posts makes analyzing campaign performance simple. You can see which types of content drive the best engagement over time. Now let's look at Buffer Publish. Buffer is known for its simplicity and clean design. But do not let that fool you. It also includes a capable analytics engine designed for smaller teams and agencies that want to keep things streamlined. Buffer Publish focuses on two main goals: helping you plan content efficiently and understand what performs best. Its analytics dashboard gives clear overviews of reach, clicks, comments, and engagement trends for every connected social account. The data is visual, easy to interpret, and perfect for quick reviews or client snapshots. One of Buffer's strengths is accessibility. You do not need to dig through layers of filters or complex settings. The analytics are simple, actionable, and focused on what really matters: what kind of content resonates and when. For smaller agencies or boutique marketing teams, this simplicity keeps workflows fast and clean. Buffer also makes it easy to export data and share reports with clients. While its reports are not as customizable or visually advanced as Sprout's, they still provide the essential insights most clients care about: reach, engagement, follower growth, and performance over time. Another nice touch is Buffer's focus on improvement insights. The platform highlights your best performing posts and suggests optimal posting times. This makes it easier to adjust strategy on the fly without needing a data analyst on the team. Both tools help agencies prove value and refine strategy. Sprout Social gives you power and precision. Buffer Publish gives you simplicity and focus. Either one will help your agency deliver smarter insights, stronger campaigns, and happier clients.